Oh no, we overslept.
Please tell me you're joking.
I checked twice. It's already 7:20.
Lily's school starts in 40 minutes.
And my meeting starts at 8.
This is a disaster.
Maybe a small disaster.
You said that last month too.
Last month wasn't this bad.
Last month you forgot your laptop.
Okay, maybe this is worse.
What happened to your alarm?
I turned it off and fell asleep again.
We need to wake Lily right now.
Good luck. She's not a morning person. Lily, wake up. We have a problem.
Is it Saturday already?
I wish it was Saturday.
Then I don't want to hear the problem.
You're going to change your mind.
Why? What's happening?
The whole family overslept this morning.
Wait, are you serious?
Very serious. It's almost 7:30.
That's impossible.
Your mom is already panicking downstairs.
That's never a good sign.
Exactly what I was thinking.
This day is starting terribly. How did this even happen?
I turned off my alarm and fell asleep again.
Dad, that's your biggest mistake.
Trust me, I know that now.
You're always telling me to be responsible.
And today, I wasn't very responsible.
At least you admit it.
I don't really have a choice.
Mom is going to remind you all day.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Honestly, you deserve it.
Wow, no support from my own daughter?
Not this morning.
Fair enough.
Sit down and eat something.
I'm really not hungry.
You say that every busy morning.
Because I'm always in a hurry.
That's exactly the problem.
Are we talking about me now?
We're talking about everyone's habits,
Including Dad's alarm problem?
especially Dad's alarm problem.
Good. I didn't want all the blame.
What time did you go to bed?
Around midnight again.
I had a feeling you'd say that.
Yeah, probably too late.
I think Lily has a point.
About staying up too late?
About all of us needing better habits.
I've been saying that for months.
I know. I should have listened.
Well, today got your attention.
It definitely did.
We can't keep rushing every morning.
I hate starting the day like this.
Me too. It stresses everyone out.
Especially Lily.
Then let's actually fix it this time.
Agreed.
How was your day?
Much better than my morning.
That's good to hear.
My teacher talked about daily routines today.
That sounds very useful.
She said good habits make life easier.
I completely agree with that.
Then she looked right at me.
Maybe she noticed you were tired.
I think everyone noticed.
It was a long morning.
A very long morning.
Maybe it taught us something.
I think it did.
So what did you learn today?
Apparently, I need more sleep.
Your teacher said that?
Not exactly, but it was obvious.
Sounds familiar.
Why?
Because your mom told me the same thing.
And now you're telling me too.
We're all on the same team.
A very annoying team.
We only want to help.
I know you do.
Then maybe it's time for a change.
Maybe you're right.
I think Lily understands now.
She seemed more serious tonight.
That's a good sign.
We should change our habits too.
Especially yours.
You're still talking about my alarm?
It caused this whole mess.
You're not wrong.
Then let's make a family routine.
Earlier bedtime and earlier mornings?
Exactly. Nothing complicated.
That sounds manageable.
Good. We're starting tonight.
No excuses this time.
Good morning. You're awake already?
I know. I'm surprised too.
And you're already dressed.
I wanted to prove something.
Prove what exactly?
That I can wake up on time.
I'm honestly impressed.
I feel much better today.
That's what good sleep does.
You were right about that.
I should record this moment.
Don't get too excited.
This doesn't happen every day.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
This morning felt completely different.
In the best possible way.
Nobody was rushing around the house.
and nobody was panicking.
Even Lily looked happy.
She actually looked awake.
That's a nice change.
Maybe our new routine is working.
Maybe our new routine is working.
Let's keep doing the same thing.
Agreed. No more sleeping in.
That would make me very happy.
Then let's make it a habit. Now it's time to review the important words and phrases from today's daily routine lesson. Oversleep. It means to sleep longer than planned. Example: we overslept and arrived late.
Wake up. It means to stop sleeping. Example: Lily woke up before her alarm.
Be late. It means to arrive after the expected time. Example: Tom was late for his meeting.
Fall asleep. It means to begin sleeping. Example: Tom fell asleep again after turning off his alarm.
Stay up late. It means to go to bed very late. Example: Lily stayed up late watching videos.
Daily routine. It means the things you usually do every day. Example: my daily routine starts at 6 a.m.
Get dressed. It means to put on your clothes. Example: Lily got dressed very quickly.
Be in a hurry. It means to not have enough time. Example: we were in a hurry all morning.
Go to bed. It means to get into bed to sleep. Example: Lisa usually goes to bed at 10.
Make it a habit. It means to do something regularly. Example: let's make waking up early a habit.
Thank you for learning English with us today. See you in the next lesson with more real-life English dialogues. Bye for now.